In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add scroll animations to your website in Framer, step by step, so you can bring your pages to life with smooth motion effects that react as visitors scroll. Scroll animations are a great way to make your site feel more modern, more interactive, and more polished, without needing to write complicated code. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and no-code tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your Framer project and go to the page or section where you want to add the animation. You can use this on text, images, cards, buttons, or entire sections, depending on the effect you want to create. The key is to start by selecting the exact element you want to animate. So click on that element once it's highlighted on the canvas. This tells Framer which object you're about to customize. Once the element is selected, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where Framer keeps all of your design properties and effects settings. Find the effects area, and next to it, click the plus icon. This is the button that lets you add a new effect to the selected element. After that, hover over the scroll option. You should see scroll-related animation choices appear, and from there, choose scroll animation. When you open the scroll animation settings, you'll see a few important controls. These usually include trigger, start, replay, preset, and enter options. Don't worry if that sounds like a lot at first. Each one helps define how the animation behaves as the user scrolls through the page. The trigger controls what causes the animation to begin. The start setting helps you decide exactly when the animation should start on the screen. Replay determines whether the animation can happen again when the user scrolls back. And the preset and enter options help you choose the style and direction of the animation. Now, this is where you can make the effect feel really custom. If you want a subtle fade, choose a softer preset. If you want something more noticeable, pick a stronger movement or entrance style. For example, you might want a card to slide up as it enters the viewport, or a headline to fade in smoothly when it becomes visible. The goal is to match the animation to the content so it feels intentional and not distracting. As you adjust the settings, keep an eye on the preview. Scroll through your page and watch how the selected element behaves. If the animation starts too early, move the start point a little later. If it feels too fast or too slow, change the preset or tweak the motion settings until it looks right. This part is all about testing and refining because small changes can make a big difference in how professional your website feels. You can repeat the same process for other elements on the page too. That means you can add scroll animations to multiple sections, one by one, and create a smooth sequence as users move down the page. For example, a hero heading can animate first, then an image, then a row of feature cards, and then a call to action section. When done well, this creates a really clean storytelling experience as people scroll. One tip to keep in mind is not to overdo it. Too many animations on one page can feel busy or slow, so use scroll effects sparingly and only where they add value. The best animations support the content instead of overpowering it, so think about where motion will help guide attention, highlight an important message, or make the layout feel more dynamic. Once you're happy with the effect, make sure to save your changes and preview the page from the beginning. Scroll through slowly and check how the animation looks on different sections. If everything feels smooth, then your scroll animation is ready to go live. And that's it. You've just learned how to add scroll animations to your website in Framer. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.